Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Pokharel. In today's grammar session, we're going to learn the uses of was, were and negation. Let's begin the class now.
So class, today we are going to delve into some fundamental aspects of English grammar, specifically the uses of was, were and the negation. Do you know what negation is? Negation is an essential aspect of language as it allows us to convey the opposite meaning of a statement. Here we'll deal with was and were first and then go to the negative of was and were. So as I said, negation allows us to convey the opposite meaning of a statement. And in context of was and were, the negation is formed by adding not after the verb. So we use was when referring to a singular subject. We use were while referring to plural subjects, and also with the pronouns you, we, they, and I. Okay, let's take an example. She was happy. Here we used was for a singular subject, right? Let's take another example. They were studying. Here we used were for a plural subject. Now, when we are talking about negation, we use wasn't for singular subjects, weren't for plural subjects, and also with the pronouns you, we, they, and I. Let's have a look at some examples. He wasn't at the party. See, here we use wasn't for a singular subject. Next example, we weren't expecting visitors. Here we used weren't for a plural subject. Now let's practice with a few more examples. If I say, I dash feeling well yesterday, which form of the verb to be would you use here? Yes, that's correct. We use was here. I was, they, dash, interested in the movie. Which form do we use here? Yes, we use were. They were interested in the movie. Now let's try some negations. Okay? If I say she dash happy with the result, which negation form do we use? Yes, that's correct. Since she is a singular subject, we use she wasn't. She wasn't happy with the result. Now, one more example. We dash expecting rain tomorrow. What form of negation should we use here now? Yes, we use weren't. We weren't expecting rain tomorrow. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and soon it'll become your second nature. Alright kids, as you see on the screen, you have 5 questions given, and here you'll have to use was, were, and negations wherever applicable. So kids, let's begin with the writing part. Here, as you see, I have written something and there are some blank spaces. In the blank spaces, we are supposed to fill in with the past tense of the verbs given in bracket to make a complete story. Let's start doing this. See, one has already been done for you. There was a fierce lion in a forest. One day, while he was walking through the forest, he stepped on a thorn. He hurt himself a lot and cried in pain. The past form of cry. He limped along the forest when he saw a shepherd. The past form of see. He went to the shepherd. The past form of go. The shepherd saw that the lion was limping. He, the past form of examine is examined. He examined his paw. He, past form of find, found the thorn and pulled it out. The past form of pull is pulled. The lion wagged his tail, the past form of wag, to thank him. Some people did not like the shepherd. The past form of do. So kids, we have filled in the simple past form of the verbs in the brackets to complete the story. Kids, assignment time now. So you have to connect back to the reading section where we had read an email from Nitish to Samyak. Go back to the email, read it out and write a reply to Nitish. How did your class go today? If you have any suggestions or feedback, feel free to reach out to us at learning@dearwalk.edu.np. See you in the next class with another lesson. Thank you.